Hi guys, today I would like to share on the moderation strategy in inherently design. Inherent safety is a proactive approach to eliminate or lessen the risk without adding new engineering step or procedure changing. Common philosophy of inherent safety design is eliminate hazard rather than controlling the hazards. In common traditional approach is add-on safety feature in the system to reduce the risk. However, in inherent safety design, we eliminate or reduce significant hazard from the process. There are four basic principles available in inherently safer design. It is including minimization, substitution, moderation, and simplification. Now, let's go in details what are the basic principles of ISD. The principle of ISD for number one is minimization. Okay, the use smaller quantities of hazardous materials when the use of such material cannot be avoided. Performing a hazardous procedure as a few times as possible when the procedure is unavoidable. For substitution, replace a substance with a less hazardous material or processing route with one that does not involve hazardous material, such as replace a hazardous procedure with one that is less hazardous. For moderation, the use of hazardous materials in their less hazardous form. For example, the same substance but in a safer formulation, or identify processing option that is involve less severe processing condition, and the simplification, the design process, processing equipment and procedure to eliminate opportunity for errors by eliminate excessive use of add-on safety features and protective devices. Now let's go in detail how the moderation is work. For moderation means using material under less hazardous condition. Moderation of condition can be accomplished by strategies which are either physical, means lower temperature or dilution, or chemical, we see the development of reaction chemistry which operate at less severe condition. One example of moderation is dilution. Dilution reduces the hazard associated with the storage and use of low boiling hazardous material in two ways. Number one, by reducing the storage pressure, and number two, by reducing the initial atmospheric concentration if a release occurs. The pressure in such a storage system can be lowered by diluting the material with a higher boiling solvent. This reduces the pressure difference between the storage system and the outside environment, reducing the rate of release in case there is a leak in the system.